This is Georgia 551, and as you know, after we do a video of the Johnny Appleseed setup and the video of the festival itself, you know what comes next? The takedown video. And right over there was the big fitness center inflatable. And as you can see right there, it's been reduced to a couple of roll-ups. Possibly more that have been put away. Paul Rentals have inflatables that can be rented. There's another one right there that's put away. The dunk tank is still there. The medieval castle is just a brown lump. The fire safety building is still there. And this parking lot has dried up quite a bit. Let's zoom out. And one of the vendors is putting stuff away there. And we got people we don't want to intentionally get. And as we head down, you can see here that we got the farmer putting away his animals in the hay bales right next to the Verizon building. And away goes Farmer Joe and his props. Apparently, once again, there wasn't any hay rides as once again advertised. Say hi to my friend security over there. So you can see we got the horses over there. I'm getting hit by mosquitoes. You might notice the video is clear. Not the video. Well, yeah, that too. The video and audio is clearer. Video because I accidentally had this thing set to 720p. And the audio because it's not raining, so none of the ports are covered with anything. Big giant slide is almost down to a lump. You can see they're working out the last bits of air. Say hi to security.
How you doing, buddy?
And we can't really move right now.
Hey, it's right here. Oh yeah, not too far.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, that's good.
There's one of the pumps that kept it inflated.
I don't know, but it smells like piss this whole time.
There's an anchor.
I mean, it smells like a dairy farm because that's something over there. Oh yeah.
And here's where the petting zoo used to be. They just gotta clean that up. Alrighty. And here we have the demolition video. They're cleaning up trash right there. See, a lot of vendors still have a lot of stuff left over. Yeah, they got a lot. And I forgot what that was, but that's going away. Oh, right there. We couldn't see that over the fence. Another bounce house completely rolled up. Say hi to policeman. As you can see, they're clearing up the little concert area. There's the stage. Finally got all the audio equipment and everything out of here. Speaking of, this is where the audio booth was. And there's everything right there. Music stands, the chairs, and the audio equipment inside the truck. You gotta keep an eye out for occasional vehicles. Nothing is here. And we got a truck over here. Still picnic tables here. And across we go. Say hi to Mr. Policeman. all gone almost. And now, probably the only places in Leominster we can still find the old cobblestones. Just a little added bonus. You see, this is all pretty much completely cleared away. Still have a booth right here being torn down. Oh, one that we can actually identify, St. Jude's. St. Jude's Hospital out in Boston. They're still clearing. And I believe that would be that. I think that, I'm not sure what that booth is. As you can see, this whole side of the street has been cleared until you get to near the library. And of course, St. Jude's. Let's see which one this is. Now you gotta keep an eye out for traffic now. Every now and then they let one out. I'm not really sure which. Oh, Schulin Farms. Alrighty. More trash here. Some stocks they haven't taken off the pole yet. Here's a MART bus for you transportation buffs. And for those of you that are diehard, it's a gay league. I think that's how you pronounce it. Memory Garden. That has to be new. I don't remember that. And by new, I mean any time within a few months. Wow. They still have the corn inside them. And on this side, say hi to our friends the policemen, yet again. To be sure it's safe to travel. Bakery and coffee shop there. Let's just be sure it's safe again. There we go. Oh, we got a booth here, but there's a cop right here. Oh no, DPW. We gotta really keep our eyes open because there's a lot happening. And this Brazilian place was very slow to close out, and they still are. One of the last vendors closing up shop. The free health screening vehicle is still here. Sponsored by the Lions Club. And here's the Leominster Department of Public Works or what have not. They're still cleaning up. And while they're at, they still advertise the hunting of Barrett Park. Wait, dude, take the hat off. Didn't see that. And somebody was here. Can't remember who. Oh, here's one of our late closers. I don't remember which one this is. Apple crisp stand here. They're still up and running. And we're about to go headfirst into the stage. Sorry if I'm moving the camera. Getting bit alive by mosquitoes out here. They're starting to take the awning down. Alright, this booth has finally been taken down. Here we are in front of City Hall, Leominster, so you know this video is coming to a close. And we're about to bypass where we started. Here's another booth. The cotton candy booth is still somewhat intact. There's the bowl they make it in. I have no idea what that beep is. And here they are packing up the last bounce house. I'm glad that, I'm sure thinking they'll be glad they got a big truck. They didn't really get rid of a lot. Bike fail. I don't know if that was on camera. And here it is, all flattened out where we started. And here are once again the pylons used to hold it in place. And there are the pumps that help keep some of them up and running. And we'll end it right here. Looking at the brown turd, which was the medieval bounce house. Looks like a brown turd right now. And the Student Awareness of Fire Education Building. This is George F551 with the end of the Demolition video. Hope you enjoyed the 2011 Johnny Appleseed Festival.